Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video from Otarka Designs. Yes, I'm back in the truck, driving again. I'm headed to the shop. Only this time, it's 5. A little surprise at the end of this video for you guys. It's not what you're expecting, but there's gonna be a surprise. First, let's run on into AutoZone. I'm not gonna tell y'all what's going on in this video. You're just gonna watch and see the outcome. Let's go. All right, guys, in order to bring you guys a real good video, I didn't stop AutoZone. I'm utilize the sunlight as much as possible, and it seems like I'm the only one here. Yep, no other cars, so it's just me, which is fine because I'll probably only be here an hour and a half. You guys can see it's packed. Ooh. Oh man, over that. Let me get the tripod set up real quick and do what I gotta do, and I can bust them out of here because it's chilly as hell outside. Damn, look at that. Woo! Seeing it come together. Hey, y'all don't know how happy I am. Slowly, but we're getting there. All right, we're getting there. Tripods. Where did I put it? Oh. All right, guys. Hey, if you notice anything different about the car, leave a comment. Let me know. All right. Anything different, just leave a comment. Let me know. See how many people paying attention. How many people are actually watching the videos. So I'm just gonna zip tie this up in place. And bam. I'm getting this back off when I need to. All right, that's one. Let me go do the other side. And that'll be it for the rear. Get the front bumper on. And I'll get all these plastic pieces. Put in the car. I'll be right back. All right, this side is zip tied up. Now I gotta go clear all this extra stuff off the top of his car. I'm putting it in the bag, see what I can fit in the trunk. Trying to get all the G35 stuff out of the way. Let's go bag this stuff, get it in here, and we keep rolling. I want this. Let's go. All right, now that's taken care of. So on Carlos's car, it's gone. Except the splitter, I gotta get it in the car when I get it out. But other than that, bumper, I'm possibly put the side skirts up on the office also. Pop this up. I really want to take this hood off to see if Carlos can fix it for me while I'm out. I'm gonna go next door, see if one of them guys can help me out real quick, and we go from there. All right, so I got the guys from next door. All right, the bumper is on, the hood is on also. First time you guys seen it with headlights. Hook the battery up. You can guess what's coming next. Oh hey, what you doing? At least we know when the hazards work. And I can close this. Yeah, so that thing was in my spots. I had to go move it real quick. Say bye-bye for now, y'all. It was windy. She's outside for now. All right. Just for a couple of days, I'll be back. Get going. All right. So don't worry, we will. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Catch y'all in the next one. Maybe you might get some shorts. Thank you, guys. Love you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment in the video if you saw anything different about the car, and if you are correct, I would let you know with a reply and have you hit me on Facebook Messenger or Instagram and give me your address, because I got a sticker and a shirt for you. All right, so if you see what's different in the video about the car, comment. I'll hit you back with a response and you might get a shirt and a sticker. All right, hey, so I'll be down for a while, at least 5 days, and once I start moving again, I'm taking some stuff home with me, get them cleaned up. So I have little short videos about that, little projects I'm doing, and go from there. But hey, thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Appreciate it so much. Views are getting up, and hey, I can't say it enough. Hey, don't forget, get your merch. Merch always available. Get it. And $15 shipped to you. Help support the channel, help support the build, and we just go from there. All right, but hey, again, thank you, love y'all. Have a good day. Hope you enjoy your lunch. Hope y'all, let me know if you guys enjoy these lunchtime videos. All right, perfect time. You can sit down and eat and watch. All right, so hey, thank y'all, love y'all, bye.